Hello family, happy Friday, and I hope you are all doing well. I just did a little unboxing of a few things that have been coming from the delivery guys. I just unboxed them, and let me give you just a quick summary of what these items are. They're very quick. So I just got myself a gorgeous pant that I love from Citizen of Humanity. Yeah, I have these in the blue, I have it in the white, and I just got this black one. For the fall and winter months. That is one item. And I bought some Stanley for getting tea or for your eyes, and then one for each family member. Some have sent theirs to school. These are some new ones for your coffee, your tea, your green tea, your black tea. Instead of going into the Starbucks, Dunkin' Donut every morning, make your own tea, save some money for yourself, for the family. Remember, it adds up. So let's all learn to make our breakfast from home. In the same vein, I picked up some lunchbox for my girls. I usually get it from Polo for them, but one of them requested this one, which I got in the white, and another one wanted one more, so I picked this other beautiful color for my older girls. I think it works very well. They take their lunch to school. Another way of saving money for the family, especially if you're a big family. Okay. Next, I got for my little boy a sweater from Polo. The weather has suddenly changed, and we are stocking up. This is a beautiful one. This is a 6-year-old zip-up sweater. I think it's gorgeous. Great for church and probably great for Thanksgiving dinner. So I think my little boy will be happy to have that. Mama has been on the hunt for a flat. I'm a tall girl, so I appreciate some really good flats. And if it's going to be a flat, it better be a good one. Let me show you what is in here. Of course, you have the bags for storage of your bags. There are 2 of them. These are for mom. Beautiful flat. One that I consider to be timeless in my closet. I don't care what somebody says about whether or not the styles are still in vogue. Yeah, for me they will always be, especially this very one. Very beautiful neutral color that goes well with every outfit if you so desire, and so I love it. This is a size 41. For reference, I wear US size 10. I say this is a little tight on my feet, a bit tight. I would appreciate a half size up. That would make it more comfortable. I do have a similar one with the strap, the one that is flat but has the strap here. That one was 11. It's 11 and it's a little loose, so I figured my real size for the Valentino flats is a 11 and half. No, it's a 41 and half. Okay, so a size, if you make it to one whole size up, it might be loose on you, so half a size up will do. These are shoes that I love, that is going to stay with me for the longest possible time. Just a quick one. I pick this raffia bag. It's a large tote bag. It's called a big pony raffia bag from Ralph Lauren. Yeah, I just unboxed it as well. I got it for half the price. I think it's beautiful. It will have easy place in my closet. I was looking forward to buying just the plain one without the red, but a sister snatched it from me just before I could check out. So I'm stuck with this one, but I think it's still really gorgeous and I'm going to be happy wearing it. Stay with me, I'm almost done. The weather is suddenly changing, so I got myself some jacket from Lululemon. It's a beautiful one. This is the color stone. Love this color. This is the name of the jacket if you're interested. The defined jacket. Really nice. It wears well if you're dropping your kids off at school. It's beautiful for morning jogging. Yeah, has a great stretch to it. I find the regular size a little tight for me, so I went one size up, and I think I like it that way. It's so beautiful. It comes in many different colors. I love this one. I got the black as well. And that jacket I'll be pairing with these joggers, also from Lululemon. All part of the items I just unboxed. This is the end of it. It has two pockets at the back. It has pockets to the side, just like a regular cargo pant. It's very light, but it's beautiful. The texture to this is very nice. This is it. And similar to that is this little top that comes with it. This is the brand Lululemon. This is a small little top you can wear underneath your jacket. This happens to be stitched at the side. You wear this underneath your jacket and you're all good. So this whole thing here is an outfit on its own. Yeah. And the last, I picked up this gorgeous sweater dress made by Card and Jack from Target. I'm pleasantly surprised how beautiful this feels. I hope it doesn't feel itchy at all. It's really good. Look at that. My only concern is it's a little small. So this is a size medium I intended for my 9-year-old, but I think she will be doing the size large, and so I'll be returning this very one, and then I'll keep the large size for her, because this I think is a better fit. It's so beautiful. Yeah. And the last but not the least actually happens to be one of my favorite. These I got from marching fashion back in, I think they are closed, I don't know, for whatever reason. Yeah, they are right here. This is the brand that the store that I got it from. Okay, now the brand of this dress is, I'll show you the details pretty soon. The brand is from Zimmerman. Let me make sure you can see. I can't seem to focus. Okay, that's it. It's quite expensive, but I had to wait for it to come down so I can pick it. Usually by the time I could pick, my favorite size is gone, but I was lucky to be able to pick this in the size 3, which is like equivalent to a large. This is one gorgeous flowy dress I'm going to be happy to be wearing garden parties or a wedding. As you can see, the back is a back open dress. really gorgeous. The fabric is light and airy, feels very expensive, and of course it is expensive, but trust your girl, she's not going to pick it for full size, full price. I waited until I could pick it up for whatever price I got it that I'm happy with. Yeah, so this is very beautiful. I don't know how much of this you can see, but this is the end of that dress. This is so beautiful. Imagine this with your wedge. Imagine pairing this with a beautiful wedge for your spring weddings, your Easter Sunday dinner, lunch, your brunch, and all of that. I look forward to wearing this dress and being happy wearing it. Yeah, so delicate and so beautiful. I know many of you will not appreciate this, but I know what I'm talking about. So beautiful. Yeah. All right. So that is my favorite beautiful dress right there. And the last thing I unboxed is this gorgeousness from Target. Delicious plantain chips that we cannot have enough of. Boxes of this guy always comes through the door. And so if you want to try it, if you like plantain chips, the ones that we fry in Africa, if you like that type, go for this. It tastes even better than what we're used to, and it's the same all the time. So yeah, go grab yours if you want. Thank you so much for joining me unbox all these items. I thank this moment, happy hour, where I get to open all the boxes that come through during the week or whatever. Yeah, whenever I'm ready to open them is when I do. Yeah, the pot in your shot, I'm here to put some flowers in there. I got it from Polo. If you're interested, it's a beautiful one on my island. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. Bye for now. If you like my video up to this point, go ahead, like the video, share the video, consider subscribing so you can see more of this content. I'm usually in the kitchen cooking, but every now and then when I get things that I'm excited about, I come and share with you all. I hope you're having a good day. Enjoy your weekend. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.